Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and I'm going to be showing you how to do a flying glitch. But it's not this glitch right here where you you do that thing in a plus sign and you put a hinge and like a glue block. It's not that, but what you're gonna do is any block, it doesn't matter, you're gonna put up here. You're gonna make it where it can unanchor or launch. You're gonna build a platform. Now it should kind of be a long platform, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna search up or find balloons, and I'll put mine right there, and you can do that with the balloons. Oh wait, you can do that, and you can do this with the balloons. I'm just gonna keep that right there, and what you gotta do is I would recommend using a red thruster, but if you don't, you could use a white thruster, but they don't last as long. You could get it from the rare chests, all the chests. You could you could get one from the legendary chest right here. It's an 11% chance of getting one. I think you can also get one from the epic chest. Yeah, a 12.5% chance. What you're gonna do is you're gonna place one of these thrusters right there, and you're gonna go get a chair and put it right there. It's this chair right here. And what you're gonna do is you're going to unanchor it or launch. And by the way, guys, I'm not really good using this thing because I'm playing on computer. But what you're going to do is you're going to do that. Right. Okay. You're gonna do up. Oh. But what you're gonna do is, well, bye-bye there. What you're gonna do is you're gonna get in the chair. You're going to activate it. You're going to like go up a little bit at the same time while you're going forward, and it'll make you go like really slow up in the air, as you just saw that little one right there. And you can get to the end really easy, and you could save that if you want. Well, that was a tutorial how to do that to get some free gold. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.